Welcome to Britannics Media, and thank you for joining me today as we explore how to become a successful online fitness and wellness coach in a clear, ethical, and professional way. In this tutorial, I will walk you through the full process step by step using practical language and real-world thinking. Online coaching is about helping people safely improve their health through guidance, consistency, and trust. This field requires responsibility, patience, and a learner-focused mindset at every stage. Everything shared here is meant for education and positive personal development. Always respect health boundaries and encourage professional care when needed. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe this channel, like the video if you found the video great. If you have any questions, leave me your comment through the comments section. Online fitness and wellness coaching starts with understanding what you can legally and ethically offer. You are guiding people with exercise routines, general nutrition advice, and lifestyle habits, not diagnosing or treating medical conditions. Staying within safe boundaries protects both you and your audience. Your role is to motivate, educate, and support clients using evidence-based practices. Transparency builds trust and long-term success. Clear communication is more important than complicated terminology. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe this channel, like the video if you found the video great. If you have any questions, leave me your comment through the comments section. Before offering services, you need a solid foundation of knowledge in fitness and wellness. This can include certifications in personal training, basic nutrition, or wellness coaching from recognized organizations. Education helps you design safe programs and answer client questions confidently. Continuous learning keeps your advice relevant and responsible. Even informal learning like books and workshops adds value when used carefully. Knowledge shows professionalism in a crowded online space. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe this channel, like the video if you found the video great. If you have any questions, leave me your comment through the comments section. Choosing your niche is a critical step in building an online coaching business. You might focus on beginners, busy professionals, weight management, mobility, or general wellness habits. A clear niche helps people understand who you serve and how you help them. It also allows you to create targeted content that feels personal. Do not try to serve everyone at once. Focus creates clarity and stronger results. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe this channel, like the video if you found the video great. If you have any questions, leave me your comment through the comments section. Once your niche is clear, define your coaching services in simple terms. Decide whether you will offer one-on-one virtual sessions, group programs, recorded workouts, or written wellness plans. Each service should have a clear structure and expectation. Clients should know what they are paying for and how it helps them. Avoid over-promising results and focus on realistic progress. Honesty builds long-term credibility. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe this channel, like the video if you found the video great. If you have any questions, leave me your comment through the comments section. Setting up your online presence is the next important step. This can include a YouTube channel, social media profiles, and a simple website or landing page. Your content should reflect your values, tone, and coaching style. Use clear language and welcoming visuals. Consistency matters more than perfection at the beginning. Show up regularly and stay authentic. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe this channel, like the video if you found the video great. If you have any questions, leave me your comment through the comments section. Creating helpful content is how people begin to trust you online. Share workout demonstrations, wellness tips, daily routines, and motivational guidance. Always explain movements clearly and include safety reminders. Avoid extreme claims or unrealistic transformations. Educational content builds authority over time. Your goal is to help, not to impress. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe this channel, like the video if you found the video great. If you have any questions, leave me your comment through the comments section. Virtual coaching sessions require preparation and clear communication. Choose reliable video platforms that are easy for clients to use. Test your camera, sound, and lighting before sessions begin. Speak clearly and watch client form carefully. Encourage questions and adjust exercises as needed. Professionalism creates comfort and confidence. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe this channel. Like the video if you found the video great. If you have any questions, leave me your comment through the comments section. Meal planning guidance should always stay within general nutrition advice. Focus on balanced meals, portion awareness, hydration, and sustainable habits. Avoid giving medical or disease-specific recommendations. Encourage clients to consult qualified professionals for special needs. Simple guidance is often more effective than strict plans. Wellness is about long-term balance. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe this channel. Like the video if you found the video great. If you have any questions, leave me your comment through the comments section. Want to become a successful online fitness coach? Let's break down the essential skills you need, step by step. It's not just about knowing exercises, it's about building a business that truly helps people. Let's start with one of the most important aspects, tracking client progress. Tracking progress is key to keeping your clients motivated and accountable. You don't need complicated systems. Simple methods like weekly check-ins, habit tracking apps, or celebrating fitness milestones work wonders. The goal is to celebrate small improvements and consistency. And remember, avoid comparing clients. Everyone progresses at their own pace. Your support matters far more than applying pressure. Positive reinforcement is what encourages long-term success. Next, let's talk about money. Pricing your services should reflect your experience, your time, and the value you provide. A great starting point is to research similar coaches in your niche to understand market expectations. When you're just starting, begin with fair and accessible pricing while you build experience. Be crystal clear about what's included in each package. Avoid any confusing or hidden costs. Transparency is how you build trust right from the start. Now, onto a skill that can make or break your coaching business, client communication. This is one of the most important things to master in online coaching. Take time to reflect on what's working well and what needs adjustment. The willingness to improve shows professionalism and humility. It's so important not to take feedback personally. Instead, use it as a powerful learning tool. Real growth comes from reflection. As you coach, ethics and safety should always guide every single decision you make. Never encourage unsafe exercises, extreme diets, or any other harmful behaviors. Your job is to promote rest, recovery, and mental well-being. Always respect client privacy and handle their data with care. Responsible coaching protects everyone involved. Trust is built through ethical actions, and safety is never optional. Once you have your systems in place, how do you find clients? Marketing your coaching services should always be honest and respectful. Having a clear structure helps reduce stress and confusion for both you and your clients. Good organization reflects your professionalism. These small systems can make a huge difference. The key is to keep things simple and reliable. As your audience grows, you'll need to think about scaling. Consider scalable options like group coaching programs or pre-recorded content. But here is the golden rule. Your quality should never drop as the quantity of clients increases. Technology can be your best friend in this journey. It plays a supportive role in online coaching. Use tools that simplify communication, scheduling, and content delivery. But avoid unnecessary complexity. Technology should support human connection, not replace it. Choose platforms that match your current skill level. Ease of use benefits everyone. Simplicity is what improves consistency in the long run. Support is always more valuable than perfection. Remember, progress is rarely a straight line. To stay on top of your game, you need to keep learning. However, always evaluate new ideas carefully before sharing them with your clients. Use credible sources and your own common sense. Not every trend is right for every person. Prioritize safety and long-term health above all else. Critical thinking protects your clients and your reputation. Quality always matters more than novelty. Beyond one-on-one coaching, think about building a community around your brand. This dramatically increases engagement and loyalty. Encourage positive interaction and respectful discussions among your followers. Create a welcoming environment for people of all fitness levels. You must lead by example with your tone and behavior. A healthy community is a reflection of strong leadership, and respect builds loyalty. Let's not forget the legal side of things. Legal considerations are very important when you're working online. Use clear disclaimers and informed consent forms where appropriate. If you're ever unsure about something, seek professional legal advice. Responsible practices protect your work and your business. A little preparation now can prevent major issues later. So, what's the secret that ties all of this together? Consistency. It is the absolute foundation of long-term success in online coaching. Stay patient and remain committed to your purpose. Helping people improve their well-being is incredibly meaningful work. Build your skills one step at a time and stay grounded in ethical practices. Keep your message positive and supportive. Your influence can make a real, lasting difference in people's lives. Thank you for spending your time with us today. Stay focused and keep learning. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.